And extremely very sad. We have lost about 8 families. 8 persons have been killed so far under these very ugly incidents. And I want to condemn in the strongest possible terms for these incidents which have occurred among pastoral communities in this region. It was barely about 3 months ago when we have buried about 5 persons in this same vicinity of Garseqoftu, 7. And today we are burying again 8. How long are we going to lose loved ones? How long are we going to lose our loved ones? If the country, if the nation cannot be able to protect the lives and properties of Kenyans, whom are we going to resort to give us peace and tranquility among pastoral communities? This is a government that has failed. This is a government that has failed to provide the requisite security support for communities that live among themselves. I want to condemn this term, and I want to condemn the government of Kenya, particularly headed by and Matiang'i as well, because we requested police presence, we requested the presence of security forces among these communities in this place. We requested about 3 months ago and about 6 months ago. And up to today, there's no to live together in harmony and to live together, because there's no country and there's no government that we expect to provide the necessary security. Hapa hakuna serikali ambayo inaweza kupeana msaada ya kiserikali. So I'm urging both communities in Eastern and communities in Wajir West constituency to live together in peace and to provide a solution among themselves. Let us look for a local solution among pastoral communities so that we can continue to live in harmony. Otherwise, tukisema tunaweza kutegemea serikali, hakuna serikali ya kutegemewa. Hakuna serikali ambaye anaweza kuleta askari hapa na usalama yetu idumishwe. We have said it once, we have said it twice, and up to today, 5 months, barely 3 months later, we didn't get the support that is desired. So I'm saying here and now clear, I wonder if they cannot be able to secure the lives of people and properties of people, how are they going to conduct the genuine elections? How are they going to conduct the genuine elections? Free and fair with all the security. So I'm saying, the way they have done it elsewhere, we want the security forces to come here and provide the necessary support that is desired from them, and let them be able to meet their necessary obligations. Otherwise, I want to condole with the families that have been affected, and I want to tell them pole for what have happened. But how long should I be able to tell them pole? It is only about 3 months ago I said pole to them. How can I be able to tell them again pole? Yet this continues, and this continues to come and affect our people as well. So I'm really disturbed, and I'm really disturbed as a leader from this community on what has happened and what continues to happen in this region. So I want to urge, if the security forces, Matiang'i and the IG, cannot be able to provide, let them be able to resign. Let them be able to resign, because they have not been able to provide similar security in Eastern Province. They were not able to provide in Marsabit. They were not able to provide in this region. Neither were they able to provide elsewhere. They have not done any initiative barely 3 months ago when similar incidents happened. Even the security presence is wanting. I haven't seen a police presence here. I haven't seen the representative of the government regionally coming here to see and observe this issue. So I'm saying it's about 48 hours ago since this incident happened, and up to now there's no security present. So if they have failed to do what they have to do, then they have to resign. They have to resign. However premature it may be, we will still demand for their resignation as well. Thank you very much.